The ComfiLife Ergonomic Underdesk Foot Rest is a product that has garnered significant attention and praise from users across the internet, and for good reason. This review compiles insights and feedback from a variety of users to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of this product's features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. If you own this footrest, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. First and foremost, the ComfiLife Ergonomic Underdesk Foot Rest is designed to provide relief and support for individuals who spend long hours sitting at a desk. Whether you're working in an office, gaming, or simply relaxing at home, this footrest aims to alleviate back, hip, leg, knee, and foot pain by promoting proper posture and reducing pressure on your lower back and hips. Many users have reported noticeable improvements in their posture and overall comfort after incorporating this footrest into their daily routines. One of the standout features of this product is its high-density memory foam construction. Unlike plastic or lower-quality foam alternatives, the ComfiLife footrest conforms to the shape of your feet, providing plush comfort and natural support. Users have frequently described the sensation as akin to lounging on clouds, with the memory foam offering just the right balance of softness and firmness. The removable and machine-washable cover adds an extra layer of convenience, ensuring that the footrest remains fresh and hygienic over time. The adjustable height feature is another aspect that has received widespread acclaim. This allows users to customize the footrest to their specific needs, making it suitable for individuals of varying heights and preferences. Whether you're 4, 10 inches, or taller, the ability to adjust the height ensures that your feet are positioned comfortably, improving blood circulation and reducing discomfort during prolonged sitting sessions. Some users have even noted that this feature has helped them combat issues like restless legs and swelling in their lower extremities. Versatility is a key selling point of the ComfiLife footrest. In addition to its primary function as a footrest, it can also be used in other ways. For instance, you can place it under your knees for support while lying down or flip it over to use as a rocker for gentle movement under your chair. Its lightweight design makes it highly portable, allowing you to use it at home, in the office, or even during a travel. Several users have shared stories of using this footrest on planes or in cars to enhance their comfort during long journeys. Despite its many advantages, there are a few areas where some users felt the product could be improved. A common piece of feedback is that the footrest could be slightly wider or taller to accommodate individuals with specific needs or preferences. While the memory foam is generally praised for its sturdiness and durability, a few users mentioned that they would prefer an even firmer option for additional support. Additionally, adjusting the height requires holding the footrest in place, which some users found slightly inconvenient. For those with specific health concerns, such as knee arthritis or sciatica, the ComfiLife footrest has proven to be particularly beneficial. Users with these conditions have reported significant relief from stiffness and discomfort when using this product. The ability to flex and stretch knees, calves, ankles, and feet while sitting has been highlighted as a major advantage, especially for those who struggle with prolonged periods of immobility. The quality of construction is another aspect that has received positive feedback. The materials used are durable and designed to withstand regular use without collapsing or losing their shape. The soft covering adds an extra layer of comfort while also being easy to clean. Many users have expressed satisfaction with how well-built and thoughtfully designed this footrest is. In terms of usability, the ComfiLife footrest is straightforward and requires no assembly. It's ready to use right out of the box, making it an excellent choice for those who value simplicity and convenience. Its compact size allows it to fit seamlessly under most desks without taking up too much space. Users have also appreciated how it stays securely in place during use without sliding around. One particularly heartwarming aspect of user feedback is how this product has improved not just physical comfort, but also overall productivity and well-being. Many individuals who work from home or spend long hours at their desks have shared how this footrest has transformed their work environment into a more ergonomic and enjoyable space. By addressing issues like fatigue, poor posture, and discomfort, the ComfiLife footrest has enabled users to focus better on their tasks without being distracted by physical discomfort. It's worth noting that while most reviews are overwhelmingly positive, individual experiences may vary based on factors such as body type, personal preferences, and specific use cases. For example, some shorter users felt that they needed additional height adjustments beyond what this product offers. However, these instances appear to be relatively rare compared to the overall satisfaction expressed by most users. In conclusion, the ComfiLife Ergonomic Underdesk Foot Rest stands out as a highly effective solution for anyone looking to enhance their comfort while sitting for extended periods. Its combination of high-quality memory foam construction, adjustable height options, versatility, and ease of use makes it a worthwhile investment for both home and office settings. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain issues or simply want to improve your posture and circulation, this footrest offers tangible benefits that can make a noticeable difference in your daily life. If you're considering purchasing this product or already own one, we'd love to hear about your experience. Sharing your thoughts in the comments can help others make informed decisions about whether this footrest is right for them. And don't forget, the link to purchase this product is available in the description above. Supporting our channel by using that link helps us continue bringing you honest reviews like this one.